Stop scrolling. Have you heard of Calendula? This golden flower is nature's ultimate skincare ally. Known as pot marigold, Calendula has been treasured for centuries for its soothing, healing, and anti-inflammatory properties. Calendula is a powerhouse for skin health. Its natural compounds can help soothe irritation, speed up recovery from cuts, and even ease inflammatory skin conditions. It's nature's little miracle for radiant, healthy skin. Here's how you can use it. Try infusing dried calendula petals in a carrier oil like jojoba or almond. After 2 weeks, strain it, and you've just created a potent, all-natural calendula oil. Perfect for adding a few drops to your day or night cream, or applying directly to itchy or inflamed skin. Alternatively, steep the petals in hot water for a soothing tea. This isn't just for drinking. Once cooled, the infusion makes a gentle skin toner. And here's something you might not know. Calendula even works wonders in homemade lip balms and salves. It's versatile and oh so gentle. Ready to bring a bit of calendula magic into your life? Dive deeper into herbal wisdom at Herbal Healing Harbor. Don't forget to like and follow for weekly self-care inspiration and natural remedies. Remember, the best skincare often comes straight from the earth.